This is question number 19 from exercise 12a. If rupees 640 amounts to rupees 768 in 2 years 6 months. So this is first case. What will rupees 850 amounts to in 3 years at the same rate percent per annum? So the first case is rupees 640 amounts to rupees 768 and time is 2 years 6 months. So first we can see that here rate percent per annum is not given, while in the second line it is written that the rate percent per annum will remain same. So first we will find rate percent per annum from the first statement. So in the first statement principal amount is given and total amount is given and time is given. So with the principal and total amount we can find simple interest, and with the time and simple interest and principal we can find rate percent per annum. So first we will find rate percent per annum. So we can write case 1. The principal amount, given principal amount is rupees 640 and total amount is given total amount is 768 rupees and time is also given. So time is 2 years and 6 months. So if you will convert this 2 years 6 months, it will become 2 whole 1 by 2 years, and 2 whole 1 by 2 years means 2 to the 4 and 1 5 by 2 years. So now we have formula of simple interest, that is equals to PRT over 100. Now we have to find rate percent per annum. So rate percent per annum is equals to SI multiply by 100 over principal and time. So now in this question we don't have simple interest. So first we will calculate the simple interest, and for this we will take help of total amount and principal. We have formula of amount, and the formula of amount is principal plus SI. So simple interest is equals to amount minus this principal. So total amount is 768 minus principal amount is 640. So if you subtract 768 minus 640, you will get rupees 128. Hence simple interest is 128. Now we'll put all the values in this formula to find rate percent per annum. So simple interest is 128 multiply by 100, and at denominator principal is 640 multiply by the time is 5 by 2. So I will move the I can write 5 by 2. Now I will move this 2 to the numerator. So rate is equals to 128 multiply by 100 multiply by 2, and at denominator it is 640 multiply by 5. Now we can cut the 0 with 0. 64 ones are 64 and 64 twos are 128. So if you multiply 2 with 10 with 2, and at denominator it is 5, so it will come 2 to the 4 and 40 divided by 5 is equals to 8. So we can say that rate percent per annum is 8% per annum. So rate is 8% per annum. Now the second part of this question says that what will rupees 850 amounts to in 3 years at the same rate percent per annum. So rate percent per annum we have 8%. So now we can find that what will be the total amount. So to find the total amount, first we will find simple interest. So here we can write case 2. Now principal amount is 850 and time is 3 years. And rate percent per annum we have calculated it is 8%, and we have to keep this rate percent per annum same according to the question. So now we have principal, we have time, we have rate percent per annum. So now we will find simple interest, because we have to find total amount, and to find total amount first we will find simple interest, then we will add the simple interest into the principal amount. So simple interest is PRT over 100. Now put the values. Principal is 850, rate is 8, time is 3 divided by 100. So if you cut this, it will 0, we can get 0 with 0, and it is 85 multiply by 8 3s are 24, divide by 10. So if you multiply 85 and 24, it will come 2040 divided by 10, that is equals to 204. So from here we can write, hence simple interest is rupees 204, and you have to find the total amount, and the total amount is principal plus simple interest, and principal amount is your 850 plus your simple interest is 204. So if you add 850 and 204, it will come 4 5 and 8 and 2 10, so 1050.